Greetings, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome to Flow Builder Unveiled by Careerya, the podcast where we unravel the basics and brilliance of Flow Builder in Salesforce. I'm your host, Careerya, and today, we're delving into the heart of automation. Podcast episode -35, Flow Builder Unveiled, Crafting Automation in Salesforce. Next topic. Topic 1, Blueprint of Automation Navigating Flow Builder in Salesforce. Flow Builder is like having a blueprint for automation in Salesforce. It's a powerful tool that allows users to create, design, and manage automated processes without the need for extensive coding. Example 1. Picture a scenario where a marketing team uses Flow Builder to create a lead conversion flow. This flow automates the lead conversion process, ensuring that critical data is transferred seamlessly to the new opportunity and account records. Implementation insights. To navigate Flow Builder, head to the Salesforce Setup menu. Utilize the drag-and-drop interface to add elements like screens, decisions, and actions. Flow Builder simplifies the automation process, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Next topic. Topic 2, Craftsmanship in Action, Building with Flow Builder in Salesforce. Building with Flow Builder is like being a craftsman of automation. It involves assembling different elements to create seamless and efficient workflows. Example 2. Imagine a scenario where a support team utilizes Flow Builder to create a case escalation flow. This flow automatically escalates high-priority cases to the next level, ensuring swift responses and customer satisfaction. Implementation insights. To master building with Flow Builder, understand the key elements like variables, decisions, and loops. Leverage the power of record updates, emails, and other actions to create comprehensive and effective workflows. Flow Builder empowers users to build automated processes tailored to their unique needs. Next topic. Topic 3, Empowerment and Considerations, Advantages and Disadvantages. Flow Builder empowers users to wield the power of automation, but like any tool, it has its strengths and considerations. Advantages include: 1. User-friendly, simplifies automation with a visual interface. 2. No code required, enables automation without extensive coding. 3. Versatility, suitable for a wide range of business processes. Disadvantages include: 1. Learning curve, users may need training to utilize advanced features. 2. Complexity, building intricate processes may require expertise. 3. Governor limits, flows are subject to certain platform limitations. Next topic. Now, let's explore the interview-worthy aspects of mastering Flow Builder. Interview insights, Flow Builder mastery questions. Question 1. How does Flow Builder contribute to making automation accessible in Salesforce? Answer 1. Flow Builder contributes to making automation accessible in Salesforce by providing a user-friendly, visual interface. Users can create and manage automated processes without the need for extensive coding, empowering them to streamline workflows. Question 2. Can you share an example of a scenario where Flow Builder enhanced efficiency for a support team? Answer 2. In a support scenario, a case escalation flow created with Flow Builder enhanced efficiency by automatically escalating high-priority cases to the next level. This ensured swift responses and contributed to overall customer satisfaction. Question 3. What challenges might users face when building intricate processes with Flow Builder? Answer 3. Users may face challenges when building intricate processes with Flow Builder, including the learning curve for utilizing advanced features, the complexity of designing sophisticated workflows, and adherence to platform limitations known as governor limits. Next topic. Now, let's challenge your Flow Builder mastery with a quiz. Quiz: test your Flow Builder mastery. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of Flow Builder in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 1. The primary purpose of Flow Builder in Salesforce is to provide a user-friendly, visual interface for creating, designing, and managing automated processes without extensive coding. Question 2. How does Flow Builder empower users to streamline workflows in Salesforce? Listen for an answer. Answer 2. Flow Builder empowers users to streamline workflows in Salesforce by offering a drag-and-drop interface to add elements like screens, decisions, and actions. This visual approach simplifies the automation process. There you have it, a journey through Flow Builder unveiled by Careerya, unraveling the basics and brilliance of Flow Builder in Salesforce. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Careerya for more Salesforce revelations.